Are you an undocumented youth who came to the United States as a child? Did you know that you can't be deported? This has been announced by U.S. Department of Homeland Security in 2012 and has allowed temporary permission for you to stay inside the United States. It's called Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, or DACA for short. Now, to clarify, you have to have DACA in order to get protection from deportation. And due to litigation, USCIS can't process new DACA applications today. They are only accepting renewals at this moment. We do expect that to change very soon. That means that DACA recipients remain protected and can continue to renew their protected status. Hi, I'm Andre Major, immigration attorney and an immigrant myself. And in this tip of the week, we're going to talk about how you can renew your DACA application. What is the renewal process for DACA? Well, USCIS continues processing DACA renewal requests even if your current DACA and employment authorization have expired. Employment authorization document is a work permit card that is issued to you when you receive DACA. You can also get work authorization under other avenues, but DACA is one of them. You may risk losing your job and other benefits if you submit your request after the due date. So don't wait until the last minute. You can apply 150 to 120 days before your DACA expires. So what I'm talking about is 4 to 5 months before. If you're not there yet, put it in your calendar. Make sure you file by that date. Step 1, find your most recent renewal paperwork. Use it as a guide to complete your new DACA renewal forms. If this is your first time renewing your status, you can also use your paperwork from your first DACA application. It is the same form. However, there's slightly different information you're providing. Step 2, get the forms you're going to need. These are Form I-821D, Form I-765, that's for work authorization, and Form I-765 worksheet, which is the WS. Step 3, fill out the forms. It's best to use a computer, a phone, or tablet so that your answers are easy to read. If you fill out the forms by hand, make sure that you write legibly and with a black pen. Write a cover letter. Cover letter should also be typed and printed. And the cover letter tells USCIS who you are, what you're applying for, and what items you're including in your application packet. This helps the USCIS officer easily see what they are about to review and avoid missing anything. Step 5, get your passport photo taken. You will need to include 2 passport-style photos taken within 30 days of the day you filed your Form I-765. Now, you can get that done at pretty much any major pharmacy, CVS, Walgreens, instantaneously without making an appointment. You just walk in and get your passport photo taken done. Step 6, pay the filing fee. USCIS does not accept cash, so you will need to pay the $495 filing fee with a check, money order, or by credit card. The money order or check should be made out for exactly $495 and made to U.S. Department of Homeland Security. Do not use abbreviations like DHS. Write out the complete name. If you choose to pay by credit card, you will need to include a completed Form G1415, that's 1450, with your application paperwork. I highly recommend you pay by check or credit card because then you know when you've been charged. If USCIS loses your money order, you lose $495. If USCIS loses a form or a check, you can reissue them without losing your money. Step 7, make a copy of everything. This includes your money order or credit card authorization form and all supporting documents, as well as any receipt for mailing your paperwork. Keep these copies in a safe place in case you need to refer to them in the future. Now, if you're still watching, go ahead and hit the like button below and click the bell icon to keep yourself updated about our other immigration-related content. Step 8, assemble your renewal packet. It should be in this order to make it easier for USCIS to review. Money order check or Form G1450. Cover letter. Form G1145. If you choose to submit it, this is so that immigration notifies you of by email what's going on in your case. Form I-821D. Form I, that's the DACA application itself. Form I-765, That's for work authorization, Form I-765WS, the worksheet showing that you're entitled and you need work authorization, passport photos, and a copy of the front and back of your current employment authorization document. I would also include a copy of your passport or birth certificate and any supporting documents. Here's a tip. Don't use staples. Staples make it harder for USCIS to review everything since they do scan your documents. Use paper clips instead. Step 9, mail your renewal packet to USCIS. Check and double check everything before mailing your application. It's best to use a mail service that includes a tracking number. The United States Postal Service's priority mail flat rate envelopes are a great option. We personally use FedEx for almost everything. If you've been arrested since your last DACA approval, leave a comment below, call us, or visit our website to see if we can help you. Do not apply without first speaking to an immigration attorney if since your last DACA filing, you've been arrested. Even if your charges are pending, or even if your charges were resolved, do not file without first speaking to an immigration attorney that you know and trust. Step 10, attend your biometrics appointment. USCIS will usually schedule your biometrics appointment 6 to 8 weeks after you submit your paperwork. Step 11, review your new DACA employment authorization card. You should receive your DACA approval notice and work authorization 6 to 12 months after you completed your renewal packet. All the more reason not to wait till the last minute, because it does take a long time. DACA renewal can be complicated, but working with the best immigration attorney makes this easier. About 86% of American people support giving dreamers a pathway to legal status. Ask your employer, friends, family members, or colleagues to help you, to loan you money if you can't afford the filing fees. Don't delay the filing of your DACA renewal for any reason. If you've learned a lot from this video, please feel free to like and share it with others who you think it might be helpful. If you have ideas for future videos or would like me to talk about a particular immigration topic, go ahead and let me know in the comments section below. Until next time, stay healthy and be safe.